Yo, what's up guys? So I want to give you guys 10 dividend stocks in 90 seconds. So I'm super excited about this. Now this isn't the 10 best stocks or anything like that, but these are just 10 stocks. Some you may have heard of, some you may not have heard of, but these are 10 stocks that you can take the time and do your research, learn about them, and if you think it's a good investment for yourself, then you're able to do so. Now, if you're watching this and you actually have some favorite dividend stocks of your own, feel free to list them in the comments so we all can learn together, so we all can research and see these different things that we can put our money in that's gonna make us money. So let me hit the timer real quick. Bam! So the first company is Lowe's. Now we know Lowe's. Lowe's is where you go when you need to fix a sink, need to fix a toilet, whatever it is, you need to do something in your yard. Lowe's. The next one is Johnson & Johnson. We know Johnson & Johnson from putting on the lotions and baby powders and stuff, but they actually have some other good things as well that they own, and you can take some time to research that yourself. The next one is Apple. Now Apple, that's pretty exciting that they're giving a dividend considering, you know, how they've become such a great tech giant. Now the next one is GPC, Genuine Parts Company. Now they make parts for just about everything, electrical components, automotives, and things like that. And pretty much you've seen their tools. Now the next one is actually a REIT. It's in real estate and it's called Realty Income, and its ticker symbol is O. And pretty much they own an array, a lot of different property. And they actually pay out a dividend pretty much every single month. Next on the list we have Duke Energy. Duke is like a famous dividend company. Duke Energy, they're one of the largest energy companies in America. The next one is M&M. It's actually called 3M. It's 3 M's and it's called 3M. Okay, so basically 3M, they have an array of things that they're involved in: energy, mining, oils, things like that. Next on the list is Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble makes a lot of the different products that you buy in the store. And I think that's self-explanatory, and that company's been around for a while. Another one is CVX, Chevron. Y'all know Chevron, where you get your gas? Well, you can invest in Chevron, and Chevron has a pretty good solid dividend. Their dividend's over $1 per share right now. And the last one I have on the list is Southern Company. Now, you may not have heard of Southern Company, but Southern Company is the second largest energy company by way of customers. So I hope I was able to get that done in 90 seconds, kind of a speed drill, so you can take a look at some things. Now, remember, I am not a financial advisor, right? So make sure you do your research on everything that you heard here. Like I said before, if you have something that's a phenomenal dividend company that you like, list it below and let us learn together so we can all grow our money together. It's enough for us all to win. So you guys enjoy the rest of this day and enjoy the dividend investing and making money. Let's go. Peace.